Well, YouTube, this has been one of my most requested videos in relation to the storm damage, and here we are at Hara Arena, and damage here is pretty bad, and this is what's left of it. See the brick wall, and the wall is just totally open here. There's no doubt about, if there was ever any doubt before about this, it's officially been sealed. Garage door's been ripped off. This place is gone. I'm not going to walk through the whole inside of it because it's not safe. But yeah, this is... If there was ever any doubt in your mind if this building could be saved, well, that's been put to bed immediately. Look at all this debris from right here. You guys wanted to see it? Well, I'm gonna deliver the content. My God, this is just catastrophic damage. Cinder blocks all messed up. It is finished. My God, look at this right here. You know it took some serious damage to rip that off. This is catastrophic. And I hope to God this gas line been cut off, but that right there is totally destroyed. Wow, this is just unreal. Look at all this debris that's just laying right here. Yeah, this place is completely ruined. And the damage to the roof and how the back of the building is completely blowed out. Hockey entrance, no more. It's gone, people. It's gone forever. A part of history of everybody that's from the Dayton area or that's lived here. It's gone. This is just unreal. Yeah, look how this roof is completely collapsed and is missing. They even got a few geese back here. Even the geese probably don't know what to think of all this. Wow, the roof is totally gone. Debris everywhere. It's gone. It's gone forever. Only thing that has to happen now, the demolition contractor's got to come in here, and the owner's insurance pays for it. It's all over but the shouting at this point in time. But wow. Oh yeah, it's completely blowed open here. It's totally blowed open. Nothing's gonna be done. It's just gonna get demolished. The job's already done, except for bringing in the contractors to finish it off. And it's amazing, despite all this damage, the Hara Arena letters have hung on. How miraculous is that? Rest in peace, Hara Arena. We all loved you, but man, it's officially history now. Wow, this ain't even safe for this ain't even safe for a homeless person to try and squat in here now. It's not even safe for them. But wow, this damage is quite remarkable. I don't think anybody ever imagined this place, all the memories that people had here would ever be in this shape. But wow. See, parts of the roof are completely missing on it. But wow. It's just surreal. Just the carnage is just unreal here. So much history, so many memories for people. It's gone. It's gone forever. Here's where the roof collapsed, and back here. And here's where you can see to the outside. I'm not going to really go throughout this building too much because I know it's not safe, and I showed this 3 different times in 3 separate years of the condition of what the building looked like right after it closed, the following year, and last year. It's gone. It's gone forever. Yep, it is officially gone. Not a public exit, but it doesn't really matter at this point in time. It doesn't even matter. And this was one of the first things that collapsed a while back in it. And nothing was ever done to clean this up or secure the property. So the guy that bought it, he never cared about this property or fixing it up. Anybody that thinks he ever did, they're sadly mistaken. Because the only plans he ever had for this was just to demolish it and sell it in hopes that they could get some kind of manufacturing or some kind of industrial park in here. That's what happened to the Cincinnati Gardens. It wasn't damaged in a weather storm or from, at least not from you know, neglect that was on purpose, like this has been. But yeah, the Port Authority bought that in Cincinnati last year. It was O'Work was the contractor, and the Port Authority bought it. O'Work will probably get the job for this when it's time for it to all come down. But yeah, this is a bad situation here, people. Take one last look down a few of these hallways before the demolition contractor comes in, and I'm pretty sure that's when I'll probably be back again, is when the demolition contractor comes in, because I've already showed what's happened here already. I showed the building when it was in good shape, and there's just nothing left to see anymore. It's gone. It's gone, people. It's totally gone. It's completely gone. Hara Arena is no more. If it wasn't obvious before, it should be now. It should be now. Wow. You don't even need a flashlight in here now, because of so much of the building is open to the outside because of the damage from inside of here. It's all gone. It's all gone. Let there be no more doubt about the future of this building, because there's no need for it to be. That was the door that I always came in through when I filmed it before. That door was always open right there before, and it's just a shell of what it used to be, people. It's no more. It's sad to say, but it's Hara Arena is it's been history for a while now, but it's no more. It's gone. It's gone. It's almost kind of fitting that it's raining as I'm filming this video. The tears from heaven over a great venue that for many people in the Dayton, Ohio region. As I film this, it's just fitting for it to be like this.